Welcome, fellow explorers, to an enthralling journey through the world's map quirks and peculiarities. Join us in this video as we reveal geographical oddities, turning our world into a surface of enchanting forms in the realm of countries with unconventional shapes, where each contour unfolds a captivating story. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up to stay connected. From playful resemblances to animals and objects to the surprising twists and borders, every land has a tale to tell. Our first stop, Italy, stands out as a truly distinctive landmass on our planet, with its geographical design resembling a pair of go-go boots. This captivating country takes the form of a peninsula, extending into the azure embrace of the Mediterranean Sea. The eccentric shape of Italy not only makes it visually intriguing, but also holds historical and cultural significance. As we explore the contours of this boot-shaped nation, we discover a mosaic of landscapes, from the picturesque coasts to the majestic Alps, contributing to the unique character that defines Italy. It shows a different and fascinating topography that shapes our world, turning geography into both a natural wonder and human history. Crossing continents to Asia and in search for close visual similarity, Japan's map unfolds as an intriguing geographical artwork. It possesses similar archipelagic forms. Japan's islands like Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku form an arc in the Pacific compared to Italy's islands such as Sicily and Sardinia, which are situated in the Mediterranean. Upon closer inspection, its contours of Japan reveal an unexpected resemblance to a seahorse. The elongated body of the island nation curves gracefully, resembling the distinctive shape of this marine creature. From the head arching northeastward to the curled tail reaching southwest, Japan's configuration echoes the elegance of a seahorse navigating the Pacific Ocean. Moving across continents to South America, Chile grasps attention with its remarkable geographical features and its distinctive slender and elongated form. The country's narrow width and striking length renders a visual spectacle on the map, resembling an elongated ribbon extending from the far north to the southernmost reaches. This exceptional configuration not only contributes to the overall aesthetic appeal of Chile, but also holds significant implications for its climate and topography. Check out the linked video titled Countries of Diversified Climates. This elongated shape influences the diversity of landscapes within its borders, from the arid deserts of the north to the icy expanses of the southern regions. The nation's unique and elongated outline serves as a testament to the variety and complexity found in the panorama of global geography. Our next step is a nation that shares the same shape as Chile, save for the size. The narrow shapes and mountainous borders of Norway make it an interesting geographical parallel. Both countries boast extensive coastlines along major oceans. The Norwegian Sea for Norway and the Pacific Ocean for Chile. The coastlines contribute to the maritime identity of these nations and play a great role in their economies. Next, we venture along the Adriatic Sea to Croatia, a geographical anomaly with its distinctive boomerang-like shape. The nation's geography adds a touch of eccentricity to its identity. The elongated form stretching along the coastline gives the country a unique shape on the map. This rare configuration contributes to Croatia's assorted coastal features, creating numerous bays, peninsulas, and islands that adorn its shores. Moving on to the west coast of Africa, Gambia's eccentric shape, particularly at its east, prompts distinctive comparisons to a scenario where someone envisioned a river transforming into a country and brought that imaginative concept to life. The slender, elongated profile of Gambia is intricately woven along the course of the Gambia River, creating a fantastic landscape. This curious alignment gives Gambia its unique appearance on the map, leading observers to playfully contemplate the notion that, in this case, nature's watercourse indeed inspired the formation of a sovereign nation. Staying in Africa, our journey sets its sights on Benin, where the map unfolds like a curious canvas bearing an uncanny resemblance to a boxing hand. This peculiar and distinctive shape, nestled along the Gulf of Guinea, adds an intriguing element that contributes to its captivating presence on the African continent. The nation's unique configuration, shaped by its borders and coastline, contributes to an overall impression of an organic and oddly gripping formation on the continent. In the northern reaches of Europe, Finland presents a delightful and amusing topographical quirk. It bears a resemblance to a rabbit when observed on a map. While it may be a mere coincidence, the amusing similarity of Finland to a rabbit adds a charming and unexpected dimension to the myriad of shapes that countries take on this beautiful planet. Hovering down the European map, the shape of Romania has a remarkable fish-like form. The elongated body of the fish extends from the Black Sea coastline to the inland borders, while the Danube River adds intricate details resembling fins and tails. Its resemblance holds a certain significance as it intertwines Romania's land with the symbolism associated with aquatic life. The Danube River also serves as a natural border with its southern neighbor, Bulgaria. This historic river is Europe's second longest. It has facilitated trade and cultural exchange between the two nations for centuries. The Iron Gates adds to the scenic and historical significance of this shared natural boundary. Speaking of Bulgaria, the country's map shape whimsically resembles a playful kitten. The northern border of the country takes on a distinctive form, reminiscent of a kitten with its head inclined downward and tail extending upward. Notably, Point Kaliakra juts out, creating the impression of a feline ear, while the presence of Burgaski Bay contributes to the visual metaphor by forming what appears to be the kitten's face, complete with a playfully extended front paw. This unique arrangement transforms the geographic features of Bulgaria into a charming and picturesque depiction. Moving up to Northern Europe, Denmark's map unfolds with an intriguing irregularity, giving rise to the bizarre notion that it resembles a nation that someone might have playfully broken. The distinctive shape, marked by a multitude of inlets and islands, stands out among its European counterparts. Beyond its unusual appearance, the significance lies in the rich maritime heritage that has shaped Denmark's identity. The fractured coastline with peninsulas like Jutland reaching out and islands dotting the Baltic Sea represents not a break, but a connection with the sea. This unique map shape symbolizes Denmark's historical reliance on maritime trade, fishing, and exploration. So while the map may appear playfully fractured, it truly signifies the nation's enduring relationship with the waters that surround it. Moving away from Europe into the Indian Ocean, where Sri Lanka's map presents an intriguing spectacle, resembling a drop of water that delicately hangs from the southern tip of India by a narrow strip of land known as an isthmus. This distinctive and slender connection, like a thread linking two jewels, adds a layer of significance to Sri Lanka's shape. The isthmus not only plays a crucial role in defining the nation's unusual form, but also highlights its historical and cultural ties with India. The drop-shaped island, with its tapered end pointing toward the Indian subcontinent, symbolizes a shared heritage and proximity. Contrary to Sri Lanka's naturally woven shape, Jordan's landscape is characterized by a notable and deliberate use of straight-line borders, a feature that distinguishes its map with geometric precision and reflects the geopolitical aspects Middle East. The boundaries of Jordan were shaped by diplomatic negotiations during the 20th century. They exhibit a strategic alignment of straight lines, creating an angular outline. This geometric clarity carries historical significance, reflecting agreements and treaties that have shaped the regional territorial identity. While the straight-line borders may lack the organic contours seen in other nations, they symbolize a deliberate effort to establish clear boundaries, contributing to stability and defining Jordan's geopolitical space. Similar to Jordan, Mauritania has very distinct straight-line border characteristics. Mauritania's borders, particularly in the north and east, reflect a legacy of European colonial powers' division of Africa during the 19th and early 20th centuries. The alignment is further accentuated by the expansive Sahara Desert, which significantly shapes the country's territorial boundaries. Our final destination is Namibia, where the map shape is characterized by a typical and distinct feature, the Caprivi Strip. This narrow strip of land extends northeastward, creating an elongated panhandle-like projection. The uniqueness of Namibia's map lies in this unexpected appendage, which appears somewhat detached from the rest of the country. The Caprivi Strip, wedged between Angola to the north and Botswana to the south, adds a layer of geographical complexity. Despite its seemingly anomalous shape, the significance of Namibia's map lies in the historical context of colonial-era negotiations that led to this unique configuration. The Caprivi Strip serves as a reminder of the intricacies of border delineations and their enduring impact on a nation's geography. It also highlights Namibia's heterogeneous landscapes, from the arid expanses of the Namib Desert to the water-rich Zambezi region in the northeast, making its map shape a compelling blend of historical influence and geographic diversity. As we conclude this mesmerizing odyssey across the world map examining the edges of countries, we are reminded that our planet is, without a doubt, a masterpiece. Please remember to click the like button, subscribe for more content from Tubegeo, and leave your comments below. Do you disagree with our comparisons, or do you have other shapes to mention?